I know that when I wake, I will see the dawn once again, and the morning star will guide me, and I will behold your face that will fill me. At dusk, evil came to tempt me, but I am sure to say Jesus came to save me, shed his blood to purify me. I can even hear the enemy telling me that he will make me give up, but I will not be discouraged. I just want to praise you, for your word is in me. Your power is in me, your glory is in me, your love is in me, your peace is in me. In Jesus Christ the Savior, in Jesus the Savior. I know that when I wake, I will see the dawn once again, and the morning star will guide me, and I will behold your face that will fill me.